Happy April, budget friends. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. And in order to help that process along, I decided to work on a month ahead savings. I grabbed a few things that I might need. I've been trying to be more aware of what I'm doing in my videos and what supplies I may actually need. What I'm going to do is just walk through putting this binder together. I actually received a gift of a binder. Somebody purchased it for me through my wish list. However, it was the wrong binder, so I sent it back and they didn't have the one that I wanted. So I went ahead and got this one. It's the plastic front and back. And the way this one is, one's, let me show you, frosted and then clear. And I'm going to use the clear as the front because I want you to see my draft that I have here. So it is the dashboard, the month ahead savings, and then I have a little checklist for my bills. I didn't put the amounts on here or the total, so we'll need to sort through that pretty quickly as well. So my first bill that I'm working on is utilities, which is $150, which is an increase from what I was paying before. And these are projected numbers based on my move. Next is internet for $75. And I made mine dashboards, but I think we may look into making them inserts so they can go inside of an envelope, you know, just smaller size. My phone bill, $55. Car insurance, $58. Renter's insurance, $15. Subscriptions, $20. And then lastly, I have memberships because my kiddos were asking for a YMCA membership. And at this point, I'm not certain if we are going to get it or not, and or if their dad is going to pay for it. I don't know. I don't think we're going to work on memberships. I'm going to leave it in here just in case, but I think what we'll do, we'll set it up, but I don't think we're going to stuff it. So let's do a real quick count up of how much. All right, $150 for utilities, $75 for internet, $55 for phone, $58 for car insurance, $15 for renter's insurance, which that one's a new one, and subscriptions, $20. And we are going to skip membership, so $373. I'm just going to write that on here so I can know how much I need to actually save. Let's write total $373. That way I know. I did pull some cash because I want to work on getting those started today. Let's get our budget sheets together. I'm just going to fill out the categories. I kind of wanted to track these. Ideally, these will be completed in the month of April. The sooner the better, just so I can make sure that money's in the account and I'm not shuffling around trying to figure out how to get myself prepared for getting a month ahead when I move. So first up, utilities. And let's just write in goal 150. And you know what, I'll just set them here for now because we're going to need to put them into the envelope. Internet, right goal, $75. My phone bill, and I believe my phone bill is going down in May, but I wanted to leave it at $55 just in case they do give me another good phone offer. It was so good I couldn't resist. It was $5 a month. It was a long term, like I believe 18 months or something like that, but it was a really good deal, and I think they do that so you'll purchase your phone through them. But yeah, I thought it was a good deal, and that's why I went with it. Car insurance. That goal is $58. Renter's insurance. Write out the goal for 15. And then subscriptions. Goal is 20. Memberships. That goal is 60. Okay. That way I'm a little bit more prepared for this part. I do need to get my cash planning slips because I don't know what the heck we're going to do. I guess we could wing it, but I really just want to figure out my cash plan. So let's get these funds. I brought out my little money counting just in case. I have some ones in here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, 140. 140, 140. And we're going to break up this, we're going to set this 140 really quickly, but let me get my cash planner. Be right back. Okay, let's cash plan this $140. And we are going to use all our categories. Let me fill that out really quickly. I think I did them all. I think so. We do know memberships is not getting anything. And let's see here. We have utilities. Let's put utilities is my biggest one. And that's going to be the one that's most important to make sure it's started up. Because I don't have to pay a startup fee where I'm moving to. I just have to make sure that my bill is current to transfer. Let's do $60. That leaves 80. And we'll do 20 to internet. That leaves 60. 20 to phone. That leaves, does that leave 40? Yeah, 40. So, let's do 15 to car insurance, 5 to renter's insurance, and subs, that's 20. Maybe we should do 65 since man, this may be better than I thought. 65, 70, 80, 90, 110, 135, and then $5 to subscriptions. Let me make sure that's correct. Okay, we still have $10. So maybe what we can do is, because the sooner we can get any of them completed, that would be better. Let's do 70 to utilities. And then that leaves us $5 more. Maybe we should put that to car insurance. Even 20. This is a mess. I might rewrite it to put it into my binder. I'm not certain. This is just real life, like how I'm choosing to figure out how much I'm putting in there. I don't believe either one of them is really more important. I know that the utilities is a higher amount and I'm not used to paying that amount, so I really want to make sure that one's completed, but that one may take the longest because of the fact that It is so much money. Anyway, okay, I think that's a good plan. I hope my numbers are correct. I'm just going to move this to the side. Perfect. So I am loving the floral, loving the blue. I didn't realize how much I would like the teal blue color. So I'm hoping to see this around a little bit more. Because ideally what I would like is to be at least 3 months ahead. But for now, month ahead is amazing for me. Right. And this is only for my bills. This is not for my expenses. So I was thinking about doing that as well, trying to get ahead on my expenses. Even if I can't do a month ahead on my expenses, I think a week ahead would be fantastic. All right, first up, utilities. We said $70. 20, 40, 60, 70. That's easy. And let me fill this out while we're here. Today is 4/1. We're going to deposit $70 and the total is 70. We're already off to a very good start. All right, next up, internet, getting $20. We just move all of these over here. 4/1, deposit 20. It's always so motivating to get started. And once these envelopes are completed, I'm actually going to put these funds into my savings account, just so I can make sure those funds are there. Next up, phone bill, getting $20. Car insurance, getting $20 as well. I think I might have a $20 bill somewhere. But I guess we'll just do this. 5, 10, 15, 20. And then renter's insurance is getting $5. Oh, deposit. Writing renter's insurance. 5. Love you too, honey. All right, lastly, subscriptions. I don't know if this marker's going to carry us through this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Ooh. Oh, I want the cash in front so I can see what is happening. Perfect. And then lastly, once again, membership's not getting anything. I was going to put, like, because we did cash shopping today, that I didn't get anything, but I'll just leave the line space just in case I do need it for another day. I'm not certain. That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.